Okay, this is a two-part question. The first part just says, take the given information and write it in point-slope form. And then it says, is another point, in this case 7, 10, a solution? So we're going to start out with just writing it in point-slope form, which is very simple as long as you remember the main rule. And the main rule of point-slope form is point is opposite. So when we're writing our equation in point-slope form, we have to remember our point is opposite. So point-slope form, we always start with the y, like all equations. We're going to leave a space for our y value, equals, and then mx. Our m is always going to go on the outside of our x. So the m they gave us is -2. I'm going to go ahead and plug that in. I've got my x, I've got my y. Point is opposite. So let's start with a y because that's the beginning of our equation. My y is a -5. The opposite of -5 is +5. And now I'm going to go fill in my x. My x is a +4. The opposite of +4 is -4. So there's my equation written in point-slope form. So that's part one. Now the question is, does this point make this true? Is it a solution? You have two choices. You can use store value on your calculator, storing the 7 for x and the 10 for y, and seeing if it's true. Or you can solve this equation very quickly, solve the equation, and use your calculator to see if 7 and 10 is part of the solution. So when I did it, I went ahead and just solved it. So to solve it, I've got -2 times x and -2 times 4. So -2x plus 8 equals y plus 5. And I'm going to go ahead and move my 5. So my equation that I put in the calculator is y equals -2x plus 3. And when I put in y equals -2x plus 3, and I went down to 7 in the table, the answer is no. That is not part of the solution.